Hello everyone. In continuation of stability of retaining wall, this is lecture 366. In this lecture we will discuss the second article, that is stability requirement of if the vertical pressure on the soil under the base should not exceed the permissible bearing pressure of soil. This is the condition, that is the vertical pressure, that is maximum pressure which we are getting, should not exceed the allowable or permissible bearing pressure of soil should be. So what will be the P max and P minimum here? P max is sigma W by A plus sigma M by Z. Sigma and minimum is sigma W by A minus sigma M by Z, where A equals to, if you take one unit, one length unit, so A is equal to 1 by B and Z equal to 1 into B square by 6, as we have done in design in this itself, in the structure. Sigma M about center of the base is sigma W x1 minus B by 2. This is your x1, and if you take with the base, so x1 minus B by 2 minus PA h1 by 3, this will be. And for limiting values, that is sigma WA minus sigma 0. So you can put and you can find out the value of minimum E. So this will be like this, and we can have the stability requirement, this maximum in this way, sigma W for limiting value, sigma W upon A minus sigma W into E upon Z equals to 0. So sigma W upon E is equal to 1 by B minus sigma W into E divided by 1 by 6 or B by 6. So this will be 0. So finally E equals to, sigma W is cancel out, E equals to B by 6. So this is your limiting value, that E should lie within middle third of the base. This should be like this. So this is what we want to discuss. And thirdly, the resisting frictional force, that you get sigma U sigma W divided by PAH, you can say, should not be less than 1.55. This is third one. This is third equations, that is sigma W, that is against this friction. This is mu W divided by PH, R equals to sigma W, with same mu W, this, and PH, this purpose should not be less than 1.55. So these are the three conditions which we have discussed, one in the last 365 lecture, and 366 we must satisfy these equations. So we have to take care of this for designing retaining wall. Thank you for being with me.